sometimes we noticed whenever try to install SQL Server SSMS, it's getting a stuck situation. So it's like the packages is not getting loaded, and because of that, the installation media it's in a stuck situation from long times. If you are waiting the couple of minutes also, it will not proceed further. Okay, so how to resolve this issue? So once again guys, welcome back to channel Tech and Art. Hope you guys doing good. Today we will discuss about one of the installation issue for SSMS, which is very common and very tricky. Before starting the session, I would request to each and everyone, whoever newly joined channel, please like to subscribe and don't forget to share with others. Please visit the channel playlist SQL Server DBA. If you are getting help, please share to others as well, and please contribute YouTube thanks and join as a channel member to get the motivation. So let me describe the situation. So when you try to install SQL Server SSMS, sometimes smoothly, mostly it will run this smoothly, but sometimes it's getting a stuck situation, and it will stuck under the package loading process. Okay, so there are 3 steps which you need to execute, and it will resolve the issue. So I'm going to tell you. So the first thing you need to check it. One second. First thing you need to check make the previous version, if anything installed, go to control panel and remove it. Second thing is you need to check your C program file directory. If anything is available for SQL Server, delete it. And the command, the registry which is helping in this situation, this is the registry. The third step, go to the command prompt and delete this registry. Either you have to go through command prompt, and you can go to the registry directly from the run, and here is the exact location. Go to your local machine, then software, okay, and then come to Microsoft, and here you can see the management studio. Either you can delete it and you can rename it, and as soon as you delete it, you just relaunch the media, resume the media. It will start the loading the packages. If still it's not getting, then the final is you need to restart. After this, relaunch the media. Definitely it will fix the issue. So this is very tricky things actually. As soon as you delete the registry, it will reload the packages and it will complete your installation. So it's a small thing, but sometimes it's very useful. So well, that's it for today. Hope you got the point what I'm trying to deliver. If you are facing this kind of issue, you also try this process. It will help the issue. Okay. That's it for today, guys. We'll meet you soon in next video. Till then, bye bye and thanks for watching.